Hi, I'm Sushant Kaundinyah, a chemical engineer with 13 years of experience in production, manufacturing and projects in the field of oil and gas and fertilizers. I presently work as manager construction in GAIL India Limited, posted at Bangalore. This is my first learning course which has introduced me to management and allied studies. This course has widened my area of expertise. Before this, when I was trying to reach out with people in multivariate fields through LinkedIn or any other social media, most of the time they will either reject me or never respond to my request also. But now after posting that I am a student of IIM pursuing my EPGP, my network has expanded, which has helped me a lot. I have been lucky enough to get in contact with people from multivariate fields, which has helped me know what is exactly happening in an IT field or a finance background or an investment banking, because I was not exposed to these people. The program has helped me widen my perspective and my knowledge towards management and technology and the latest developments in this, which has helped me in my career. Me being an engineer was not exposed to all these things before, but this has helped me a lot and will help me in the future also. Say like recently I had an experience with my HR HOD during an interdepartment meeting. It was basically for policy making based on the medical related issues and medical claims of the employees. The HOD was aware of it, but because of my knowledge of the subjects from HR, I had put in a point that you have to look into this with this perspective, which he was actually amazed, and he told me that being an engineer, how did you come to know this? Then I told him I am pursuing this course, and he had even, to be frank, he has promised me a career growth or even a vertical change based on this experience. So I feel that this will directly improve my personal and professional life in the organization, and even if I want to change lines into a different field from manufacturing sector into IT or corporate field and investment banking and multivariate courses. The greatest takeaways from this program is my gaining of knowledge from multivariate fields which I was not exposed to in the last 13 years. The next thing is I have got a practical approach of all the day-to-day activities, like more than engineering, production, manufacturing and all those things. You give me a pump, you give me a turbine, I will just handle it within seconds. But you give people to me, handling it was difficult. But with this experience and with this knowledge, my perspectives have changed, my approach has changed, and the way I handle things has also changed. And the biggest thing positive I feel I have gained about it is not only the practical knowledge and the theoretical knowledge, my network has widened. I have met a lot of people, I have met new people, I have met new professors who have encouraged me, and I feel that with this I can go places.